What is happening to Africa? Nkosi, kwenzekani nge-Afrika? Bwana, nini kinaendelea Afrika? Africa is bleeding. Africa is crying. Lord, what is happening to Africa? I see anger on the faces of Africans. Lord, what is happening to Africa? I see worry on the faces of the people. Lord, what is happening to Africa? Africa iyakhala, osisisizi, siphe ukuthula, siphe uthando. Africa is bleeding. Africa inalilia, Mungu tusaidie, tupe amani, tupe upendo. Everywhere I turn, I see confusion. Everywhere I go, I see disappointment. Brother fighting brother, neighbor hating neighbor, children growing up surrounded by violence. The streets are full of fear, the mothers are crying, and the future looks darker than yesterday. Africa is bleeding. Can you hear the cry? Africa is bleeding. Africa is crying. Lord, what is happening to Africa? I see anger on the faces of Africans. Lord, what is happening to Africa? People, Lord, what is happening to Africa? Nkosi banati, sifuni ukuthula, sifuni kusasa.
We want peace, we want a future.
Mungu situache, tupe tumaini, tuokoe Baba.
Give us hope, save us Father.
Mungu situache, tupe tumaini, tuokoe Baba.
Give us hope.
Save us, Father. I see the innocent being killed. I see young lives disappearing. I see drug dealers destroying the future of tomorrow. Young boys dying in the streets, young girls losing hope while leaders speak promises that never reach the people. Tell me, Father, how did we lose our way?
From Congo to Sudan, from the townships to the villages, the blood of the innocent is crying from the ground. Africa is bleeding, and heaven can hear the pain. Ukulunkulu, Filisa Africa.
Mungu,
Ponya Africa. Teach us to stand together before hatred destroys us all. Africa is bleeding. Africa is crying. Lord, what is happening to Africa? I see fear in the eyes of the children. Lord, what is happening?
because the blood of the innocent is crying, and Africa needs your mercy.